Introducing the Waylens Secure 360 4G, a breakthrough in automotive security. This innovative system utilizes dash cam features while you're driving and activates advanced security sensors when parked. With an amazing single lens, Secure 360 produces a true 360-degree field of view, capturing everything going on inside and outside your vehicle. So here's how it works. Secure 360 actively scans the perimeter of your vehicle using a suite of advanced low-power sensors. When motion or impact is detected, the camera will immediately record video to the micro SD card. High-speed 4G data delivers real-time alerts and live streaming through the Secure 360 mobile app, so you'll see the full story as it unfolds. Automatic uploading of the event video to the cloud keeps evidence secure, even if the camera is stolen or disabled. The Secure 360 is designed for any vehicle and every driver, from the daily commuter, rideshare services, or families with young drivers. With the Secure 360, you can document an accident, locate your car quickly with a GPS map, preserve your driving record, or catch a thief in the act. So even if this happens, you'll have evidence to provide authorities and your insurance company. Protect your vehicle with the Waylens Secure 360.
Here is the VAVA Dash Cam, and this is what happens when you don't use it.
Lady, what are you doing?
What am I doing? You just backed up into me.
No, I wasn't.
Yeah, you did.
Prove it.
Did anybody see this?
Did you know that a car accident happens every 3 minutes, every day? Which is why we built the VAVA Dash, a dash camera designed for drivers everywhere.
Whether your car is on or off, the VAVA Dash is there to protect.
Hello, ma'am. I saw you were on the phone.
Oh, no, I wasn't on the phone.
Can you prove it?
It's always recording when you're driving. Automatically record any unexpected activity when you're away from the car.
Oh, milk duds.
Swivel it 360 degrees to capture every angle and shot with ease. Videos can be captured on the VAVA Dash mobile app and uploaded to Facebook or sent via email.
The Thinkware F800 Pro is the successor to the best-selling F770. It has a slightly smaller design, but more importantly offers the new Ambarella A12 chipset and Sony Starvis sensors on both front and rear cameras. In terms of video quality, the nighttime footage on rural roads or through a darker tint is noticeably better on the F800 Pro. We like the F800 Pro's improved parking mode with Super Night Vision 2.0, better memory partitioning, and helpful event alert when switching into continuous mode. The Wi-Fi connection is stronger and the overall app user experience has also improved. In addition, the ADAS features such as lane departure warning and red light camera alerts actually work as expected.
Red light camera in 200 meters.
The capacitor-based power supply has no issues working in hotter climates, and the track record for reliability of the Thinkware devices has been exceptional over the 2 years we've carried them. This brand new system offers the best combination of video quality, parking mode features, and user-friendly interface currently available. We'd recommend the Thinkware F800 Pro to anyone looking for the best 2-channel parking mode dashcam setup.